You read the title. From the end of the video going forward, I'm going to have a new face. Well, hello there, I'm V3.0. This is an exciting video. I was anxious to make it. For a long time, I didn't want to redraw my avatar, because the last one you can see in the corner is one I really like. It's hard to improve on it while still keeping some resemblance with my real appearance. But the more I think about it, the more it makes sense. The first avatar I drew was this one. Because I wanted to have a new variation on my avatar for every video, in total I made 86 different versions. And then I grew tired of it. The second one, let's zoom it up, I made 124 different versions. It's been well over a year, now it's time to change. Additionally, you can see all the variations together on a special Instagram page at V3.0_face. I don't advertise it much because it's just a collection of all the avatars I've ever made, nothing else. I have about 150 posts on it, all of my face. I'm still in the process of posting daily and I'm nowhere near caught up. Go check it out, it's fun to scroll and look at all of them, at V3.0_face. I'm not going to lie, I'm changing my avatar also because I'm running out of ideas on the variations themselves. Having a new avatar allows me to redraw the same variations again. For example, adding demon wings. I've done it for my first avatar, and I also did it for the second avatar. I'm allowing it, even though it's the same idea. In a second, I'm going to talk about the drawing process. But first, let's talk about why I decided to draw my avatar and change it in every video. I'm not hiding it, Drawfee is one of my favorite YouTube channels and a great inspiration. When they draw, they have the face of the person currently drawing in the bottom corner, as well as a colored line. I almost straight up stole the idea from them. Secondly, let's talk about a French gameplay channel, Wonkil. Wonkil is fun, it's two guys playing video games. I like their humor, it's trashy and all over the place. More importantly, they have these simple figures of themselves and depending on the situation, the avatars will change. Let's say they quote something in a posh voice, their avatar will look like bourgeoisie and so on. You get the gist of it. I'm doing that, except one of my avatars is for one video, but the whole video. Alright, let's talk drawing. My previous avatar was rather realistic, albeit comic-y. I wanted a proper portrait, but one I could change easily every video. For this new one, I'm going directly into comics territory. The lines are more angular and all the traits are a bit more exaggerated than they would be in real life. To be fully honest, I decided to make it in this style only because I really like the hairstyle and the way of drawing it, especially at the back of the head. The upward curve along the back, then a large dip, and then the top of the hair. It's a nice silhouette, it's an interesting series of shapes. Oh, and tell me if you agree, if you like my new avatar in the comments. This is a face you will be seeing in the corner of every video, so it's important to me that you like it. If you think I should change something to make it easier on the eyes, do tell me. All in all, I think I did a rather good job. The only thing that gave me trouble is the nose. I don't know how to draw noses that are not in an anime style, meaning a very simple V shape, or realistic. I managed to draw a good nose in the end, but through the trial and error process. Same for the eyes. I redraw them a bajillion times in this video, because they look too tired, or not the right size, or they have a disturbing cross to them. You won't see me draw the final version of the eyes because I did them off camera at the end, after the coloring. It's only when you're done that you realize something really is wrong sometimes, and in this case the eyes were too big and looked a bit too weird, I don't really know how to express it. Because that's the thing, drawing on camera is different from drawing normally. There's an added pressure of being efficient, and it's one of the reasons I've put off redrawing myself for so long. Unlike other normal drawing videos, this one has an impact, since I will have to add that face in all of my subsequent videos. But thankfully, all is good in the end. I redrew myself, and I've kept some of the traits I deem important. So far, there are a few things that have been in all of my avatars. First is the shirt color. Now, it's funny because in real life, I don't wear shirts that often. I'm more of a tee guy, but from an aesthetics point of view, and because this avatar goes on top of the colored line at the bottom of my videos, the triangular shirt color makes more sense. Second point, my logo is on the collar. Yes, the logo you see morphing into my name in every intro, the triangle with 3 legs and a small square, it's my logo, although I really not use it a lot. Third thing that is in all my avatars, the blue line in my hair. I don't know why that exists, except to make the large hair shape more interesting. Nevertheless, it's there, and it's the same blue that highlights my eyes. I do have blue eyes most of the time, even though I draw them black. In real life, I have kinda nice looking eyes that, depending on the weather, turn bluish or green-brown combo. I also have tiny yellow dots in my irises, but that's too complicated to draw for a comic-y avatar. My hair, I have also always depicted black, but really I have dark brown hair. I wanted to change that up, so for this third avatar of mine, I did color my hair slightly, but I made it lighter than it really is. My hairstyle is also not that of the drawing, but I can do whatever I want, and this is what I'm doing. And with all of that said, I think we're done? Let me know in the comments if I missed something, and like the video if you enjoyed it. I'm essentially a VTuber, but my persona is my own, except slightly different. Subscribe for weekly drawing videos, and don't forget to check out @D3_face on Instagram, my collection of all my avatar variations. I'm D3, and I can't wait to show you this new face in all sorts of weird costumes. Bye!